Hi guys, broadcasting the solutions to homework 2.1. This will be homework 2.1. If you're watching this again, this is a new video because I did make some mistakes in the first video. So here we go. B, it says determine the value of the standard potential E for the galvanic cell based on the reaction between silver nitrate and solid zinc at 25 degrees Celsius. You don't need to know this. You really don't need to see anything else because they did give you the reaction here. So we're going to go through and write the answer. E cell equals negative E ox plus E reduced. And the person who was oxed here was zinc, and according to our standard reduction potential chart, the value for zinc is negative 0.76. And you don't have to flip it because the negative takes care of that for you. And the value for silver is 0.80 volts. So you got 0.80 plus 0.76. So that is going to equal, I believe if you add those together, you should get 1.56 volts. Okay? So that is the answer to the first problem. In thinking about this, this would be a spontaneous reaction because E is greater than 0, making delta G less than 0. For the second part, we're going to do C, and it says determine the value of delta G for the reaction. So the equation is delta G equals negative N F E cell. So let's first off get N. N is going to be 2 because there were 2 electrons transferred. A simple way to do that is to look at the charges and find the least common denominator between the charges. We had plus 2 and plus 1. The least common denominator would be 2. If you had plus 3 and plus 2, it would be 6. So negative 2 multiplied by 96,500 for Faraday's constant, and they gave you 0.46 volts. Now, if you went through and did this, you would have lost a lot of time. So it's a really good idea for you guys to read this. You're going to multiply this all together, and you're going to get some long number, and the units are going to be joules. Go ahead and divide by 1,000 to get kilojoules. For this one, it just is asking you if it's spontaneous. So the answer is yes, and there are 2 reasons. Reason 1, E is greater than 0, okay, because it was 0.46 volts. Reason 2, delta G would be less than 0, according to your calculation up there. All right, guys, have a great day. Talk to you later.